Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see about the top 8 smallest private jets ever built. Number 8, One Aviation Eclipse 700. And at number 7 we have again One Aviation Eclipse 500. At number 6 we have the Cessna Citation CJ4. At number 5 we have the Hawker Beechcraft 390 Premier. Number 4, Stratos 714. At number 3, we have the Learjet 45XR. At number 2, we have the Honda HA420 Honda Jet. So, the smallest private jet on earth is um, the Cirrus Vision Jet. So, that's it, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more aviation videos. Bye.